Most men trying to rebuild strength are doing the exact opposite of what their body actually needs. They spend hours chasing isolated exercises and fancy machines while ignoring the old-school movements that once built powerful backs, thick legs, strong hands, and bodies that could carry heavy loads through real life. The truth is this: some of the most effective muscle-building exercises were forgotten because they are hard, simple, and brutally effective. But when you use them correctly, your body responds fast with the kind of strength that helps you move better, feel steadier, and stay independent for years to come. As men age, muscle loss does not just change how you look, it changes how you live. After the age of 30, your body naturally begins losing muscle mass and power every decade unless you actively challenge it. Researchers at Harvard Medical School have explained that this gradual loss of strength affects balance, mobility, reaction time, and even your ability to recover from falls. You feel it when climbing stairs leaves you winded, when getting off the floor takes effort, or when carrying groceries suddenly feels heavier than it used to. That is why today you will discover 5 forgotten strongman exercises that rebuild real-world muscle, joint resilience, and functional strength fast. Exercise number 1, the zercher carry. This old-school strongman movement was used by wrestlers and laborers to build practical full-body strength. It is powerful for aging men because it strengthens the core, back, hips, and posture all at once, which helps with lifting, carrying, and staying balanced in daily life. To do it, hold a sandbag or barbell in the crook of your elbows close to your chest and walk slowly while keeping your body upright and your stomach tight. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Waterloo found that loaded carries improved spinal stability and total body muscle activation after just several weeks. Start light and focus on posture before increasing weight. Avoid leaning backward too much because it places unnecessary stress on the lower back. If you have serious back or elbow problems, begin with lighter carries first. Exercise number 2, the towel pull-up. This exercise comes from military and climbing training, where grip strength meant survival and performance. It matters because grip strength is strongly connected to healthy aging, balance, and total body function. Loop 2 towels over a pull-up bar and grip them tightly while pulling your chest upward with slow, controlled movement. This exercise targets the hands, forearms, shoulders, and back. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that grip-focused training improved pulling strength and forearm activation after 6 weeks. Beginners can start with dead hangs before progressing to full pull-ups. Avoid jerking your body upward because it strains the shoulders and reduces control. If you have shoulder or elbow pain, begin slowly with short hangs. Before we continue, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Having constant access to science-based information is what will make you progress with health over the long term in the world of exercise and wellness. Exercise number 3, the sled push. This exercise comes from old football conditioning and strongman training, where athletes built explosive power without pounding their joints. Unlike sprinting or jumping, sled pushing creates resistance while keeping the body stable and controlled. This movement matters because aging muscles lose fast twitch fibers that help you react quickly during slips, trips, or sudden movements. It is like losing the shock absorbers in your car. The body still moves, but every motion becomes less efficient and less protected. The sled push works the legs, hips, calves, lungs, and heart, while also strengthening the connective tissues around the knees and ankles. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Sydney found that resistance-based pushing exercises improved lower body power and cardiovascular conditioning at the same time after only 8 weeks. To perform it correctly, place your hands firmly on the sled handles with your chest slightly leaned forward and your spine neutral. Drive through the ground with short, powerful steps while breathing steadily and keeping tension through your core. You should feel your legs working hard without sharp joint pain or bouncing movements. Beginners can use very light resistance and shorter distances before slowly increasing weight or speed. One common mistake is rounding the back and taking huge sloppy steps, which wastes power and places unnecessary stress on the hips and knees. If you have uncontrolled high blood pressure or severe knee arthritis. Start with lighter resistance and slower walking pushes. The next one may seem simple, but it is one of the most effective forgotten exercises ever created. Exercise number 4, the Turkish get-up. This movement dates back hundreds of years to wrestlers and fighters in the Middle East, who used it to develop total body coordination and resilience. Even modern physical therapists respect this exercise because it teaches the body how to move safely from the ground to standing. That matters more than most men realize, because one of the biggest predictors of long-term independence is the ability to get up from the floor confidently. When that ability disappears, fear of falling often follows, and physical activity begins shrinking little by little. The Turkish get-up strengthens the shoulders, hips, core, legs, and nervous system, while improving balance and mobility. A study conducted by researchers at the American Council on Exercise found that integrated full-body movements improved coordination and stability significantly after consistent practice. To do it correctly, lie on your back holding a light weight, or even just your fist pointed toward the ceiling. Slowly rise to your elbow, then your hand, then your knees, while keeping your eyes on the raised arm and breathing calmly. Stand fully before reversing the movement slowly back to the floor with control. Beginners should practice without weight first, because learning the sequence matters more than lifting heavy. A common mistake is rushing through the movement, which reduces coordination benefits and increases the risk of shoulder strain. If you have severe shoulder instability, dizziness, or balance disorders, practice beside a stable support or under supervision. Exercise number 5, the farmer carry. This exercise was built by farmers, dock workers, and old-time laborers who developed tremendous strength simply by carrying heavy loads across uneven ground every day. Strongman competitors later adopted it because few exercises challenge the body more honestly. This movement matters because carrying strength is deeply connected to independence. Your ability to carry groceries, move luggage, hold on to railings, or support yourself during daily tasks depends on total body stability and endurance. The farmer carry trains the hands, shoulders, traps, core, hips, and legs, while also challenging the heart and lungs. A study conducted by researchers at McMaster University found that loaded carries improved grip strength, posture, and muscular endurance within a relatively short training period. To perform it correctly, pick up 2 heavy dumbbells or kettlebells and stand tall with your shoulders pulled gently back. Walk slowly with steady breathing while keeping your arms quiet and your steps controlled. You should feel tension through your entire body while maintaining smooth, balanced movement. Beginners can start with moderate weights for short walks and progress by increasing load or distance gradually. One mistake many people make is shrugging the shoulders upward, which creates unnecessary neck tension and reduces stability. If you have serious balance issues, uncontrolled heart conditions, or severe hand arthritis, use lighter weights and shorter distances until your confidence improves. The real secret to building lasting muscle is not chasing flashy workouts. It is training your body to move, carry, stabilize, and protect you through everyday life. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and God bless you, my friend.